people, Coupon and Crystal here with the Harris Teeter Super Doubles matchup. If you are unfamiliar with what that is, Harris Teeter is having Super Doubles tomorrow. Checkout begins at 7 a.m. where you can double 20 coupons, $2 and under. So a $2 coupon will double to $4. So go ahead and watch these matchups so you can get an idea of what you can get on tomorrow. And remember, clip to save. You will be amazed. Let me know in the comments below this video if you plan to attend Super Doubles and what deals you plan to get. In case myself and Marianne of the Coupon Crew did not know that it was on sale, because we need to know so we can make sure we get the deals too. Bye-bye. Coupons.com coupon for these little hand sanitizers is $1 off of 2. So you're going to purchase 2 of these, pay $3 basically. The dollar coupon is going to double to $2. You're going to pay $1 for 2 of these. That's a good deal. You can use this Poise Add coupon. $2 doubles to $4. They are on sale for $4.99. So you're going to only pay 99 cents if you've got somebody that needs these. Or heck, you can use them for sanitary products. Okay, some coupons, but I don't have any Johnson coupons, but they got some Johnson on clearance. I'm gonna get this for my Toot, for my chair bear, for my charity Nicole. This particular size right here, $4.29, $2 coupon's gonna double. It's gonna be 29 cents. I don't even know what insert this is on other people because I don't have it in my book. Marianne had it. This was for refill or wet jet solutions. Any of the $3.99 products this is going to work with, and they're going to be absolutely free. So the solutions are on sale, the wet ones are on sale, and the dry ones are on sale. So this is a great, great deal. They're going to be free, guys. Free. Y'all got to get OxyClean. That's going to be 99 cents. That's the stock-up price. It's on sale, $4.99. $2 coupon's going to double, so it'll be 99 cents. Okay, so this is the deal. This is going to be a great, great deal. This is the 16.2 ounce or larger. This is a 19.4 ounce. They are on sale 2 for $5, so they're going to be $2.50. Dollar coupon's going to double. This big boy is going to be 50 cent. Awesome deal. We're going to get this today. We're not going to wait till tomorrow. The spring and wash is on sale for 2 for $5. $2.50, 75 cents, going to double to $1.50, making this just be $1. That's a good deal. Super Double is looking up, guys, because we're finding some good deals. This is what we like. We like the stock up price. $4.99, $2 coupon is going to double, making this be 99 cents for the Downy. So we're definitely getting up for this deal. It is a deal because it's 2 for $5. You use your coupons.com coupon. It's going to double to $2, making Activia 50. I wanted to show y'all the milk for the left fields. Remember when we did that before, there was too many people over there. So remember, this coupon says that it's not going to double, but it does double, and it takes off $2. So just remember that. It's true, because Candace likes these, and she says $1.69 for these. It's a good deal. So there you go. No coupon that I'm aware of. Lovely people, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. We always try to help you get your deals, okay? So if this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up for me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications so you know when we post another video, because I will be posting a video tomorrow because I'm going to show you my haul in case you didn't get the same deals I did, so you can go back and do them the next day. Remember, clip to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.